I don't know if you guys are like me, but do you have this problem? I have a lot of different keys, and it's just lots of keys. They're always racking around. I carry them on my belt with me all the time, and I'm just trying to find like a good solution to actually organize all this. And then also the other day, my wife called me and she's like, I can't find my keys or somewhere. I think they're in my car. Yada yada yada. I'm sure some of you guys have definitely lost some things in the past. And then I actually came across this guy. It's called the KeySmart Pro. It actually has a they've had these in the past, but it's just been the actual KeySmart itself. But now they actually integrated Tile, and if you guys don't know what Tile is a like a small tracking thing. A lot of times they're like a little small square, like a little small tile per se. And what you do, you install the app on your phone, and you can push the button, and it'll actually make a noise. So you can either find your keys or whatever. You can technically tie it to anything you want. It's just in this case they actually made it part of this device, and it works the other way as well. You can actually something here, you can actually use the phone to find your keys, or use your keys to find the phone. So I thought it was a really cool thing. Like I said, hopefully it can organize my little key things a lot, make it more like a kind of like a Swiss Army knife of keys per se. It's a cool little thing. I'm gonna open it up and try to get this thing under control. It says it holds up to 10 keys, but I actually, they had a sale going. You buy 2, you get 1 for free. So I bought one for me, one for my wife. So I might as well just got the third one for free. But I noticed this one says 10 keys, and the other ones actually will say 14 keys. So I don't know what the difference is. They probably both hold 14. It's just, I don't know, maybe this is old packaging or something like that. But we're gonna find out. The white one is my wife's, so I'm gonna put this off to the side, and I'm gonna open up the gray one. I wanted the gray one. I got white, red, and gray. There's some wrapping junk. Just charge it. Green means good, orange means charging. Blah blah blah. I'm not really a manual kind of guy. Normally if it doesn't work, or blah blah blah. Go that way. Anyways, here it is. This is it's pretty small. I compare it to like I mean, here's like a Mountain Dew. It's you know, it's a pretty small little thing. Here's my key. This is like a normal little key fob for say. I drive a Volkswagen. So that was one big thing. I didn't want it to be like just so big. So my wife will probably actually carry just this and this, and so that's what she'll have. I'll have to carry me. I always carry. This is one of the little things I made when I was in the military. But yeah, this little thing's pretty cool. So let me get my tools real quick, and we'll hook this thing up. You can technically do this with the probably like a quarter or whatever you want to do. I have to be home with my toolbox, so might as well, right? Oh yeah, I forgot too. It has a light built into it. It's not the brightest light in the world. I mean, you're not gonna like, you know. I guess it has a time off on it. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty. I think it's bright enough for what it is. You know, it's like you're walking around, lost something, dropped something out of your pockets or something like that. Or I think it'd be plenty good for that. It comes in separate little things. If you actually get the Pro, you'll actually get the little bottle opener. It actually comes with the Pro version. There's multiple different versions of them, but this one comes with it. So nice little thing, and then it gives you a little hook to actually hook your normal keys to, whatever like that. I'll see that. So I'll put that to the side. The fun part is this is what I've seen is getting all of these little washers space, because what you want to try, you're trying to build like a little layer, get your keys all the same, and then you kind of sandwich them all together. So you want them kind of be the same. You don't want one end with like one key and one end with like, you know, 3 keys, and it would be just off. So you try to make it as flush as possible. On there, I'll take those little things off. I'll put these little washers on there. Okay, so let me take off all my keys. I'll put that aside. So because you kind of have to just figure out what you need and what you want, and you got to figure out which, you know, this is for say the end. So I think I'm gonna put this, you know, I'm gonna angle it, probably hanging off this end. So when I'm holding it and I want to use a flashlight, I don't have this hanging off the front of it, because then that might be kind of weird. So yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna flip it around and do like that. Okay, so with that being said, I think the first thing I'm gonna do is put this down. And then I'll put the keys I use the most on this end. So I think this keys and these 4 keys are gonna go on this end, because this is going to be the end that's open. So this is the key that my key fob is going to be this end. I'm going to put it to. So you're going to have to just kind of play with this. You might have to redo it, you know, and you're going to have to play between meshing keys like this, because it's like a little in here. So you know, you got to see keys. You got to see how they're going to have to kind of mesh together. You know, if you did them this way, you lose a little bit of space. So it's just going to be kind of like a little jigsaw puzzle, really. Let me see if I can figure this out. So here, yeah, so here's a little flame. You guys can't see how. No, I think good. Turn the light off real quick. See that little. Yeah, well, that's good enough for, you know, trying to find stuff, whatever. Plenty like that. A little further away. Plenty. Oh. Okay. Alright, so I think I got it. A little charging port right here on the little slide right here. It's kind of, what is that, micro USB, I believe, like that. Okay, so the next thing I got to do is hook up the tile, and to do that you got to have your phone. So what I'm going to do, come on. So already went ahead and installed the tile app on my phone. So it's pretty simple. You just kind of, I think you go right here, and you're going to add a tile, and you just kind of scroll through here, and it'll tell you yeah, KeySmart's on there. So you just do KeySmart, just go next. Tap the tile button once to begin activation. Okay. Hit next. Just hold it close to my phone. Okay, next. And then you can actually, so it's connecting to okay, so you can actually change the name of it. A couple of settings in here, whatever. But the main thing is if I lose my keys, I can go to the tap. I can click a button. Click it right, and this thing starts ringing. And then it actually gives you a. It'll keep going, and this little thing, it'll actually give you like a little ring, like it indicates how close you are to your tile. So when I walk away, it'll actually, the rings will get further apart, so it gets down to the center. All right, and it'll keep going. So you can do that. You can kill it, and then you can do the other way where you double tap the tile. And my phone starts going. And that works even if the phone's on mute. Like if you get it on mute, vibrate. 'Cause that's what happens to a lot of people is, oh, I can't find my phone. Even though you call it, it's like, okay, well, it's on, no vibrate. You were in a meeting, so you turn off all of the things. So it doesn't matter what you do, you ain't gonna get to see it anyways. But with this, you can push it, and it's still gonna ring no matter what. So I think it's a pretty cool little thing. Like I said, I got 3 of them, one for my wife, one for me, and then like I said, it was to buy 2 get 1 free. So I was like, what the heck? I'm already buying 2, might as well get another one for free. I'll figure out something to do. I might actually do the 3rd one. I might do it with my put my cars on it, because I don't drive my classics or my GMC, my buses, and all my other cars like that. I think that's what I'm gonna do with the 3rd one. Put those kind of keys on it, so when I go out, I just take the 1 keys and I have all those kind of cars. But this one I made for my everyday carry, my work, my house, just sheds. Some of these my dad's keys. I got my dad's house keys and just all that fun stuff on there. So I'm gonna slap this on there like this, and then I have a nice little setup. A whole lot easier. I might actually take this thing off, but I have a whole lot. That's so much better than what it was before. Just easier, and it's the big thing to do. It's not loud. I mean, there's no sound to it. I mean, before my keys were, you can hear me walking like I was like a cat or something like that. So that was pretty cool. And also, why I was doing all this, I got the they make these little tools, same company, made by KeySmart. It's they call them like animal tools, for say. This is the Raptor. They got like one that's like a bear or an owl and a shark and all kinds of just crazy little animals. But the biggest thing is this one has like all the tools. It has a bottle opener, it has a spoke thing, and all these like a little bitty wrenches, wire cutters, a screwdriver, all kinds of fun little stuff. So I'm going to take this thing off and actually show you guys. Here it is. So it's pretty small. I think it's pretty cool, and everything's labeled like really good. I don't know if you can see it or not. You can see like the sockets are labeled on there. It may not focus, but on here every little thing is labeled really nice. It's 10mm, 8mm, 7, 5.5 spoke. There's a screwdriver on there, and then it stays put too. Like some people were worried. Well, I was kind of worried on if this little wrapped little, almost like a little dinosaur per se, but it has like a little indent, so you can right there it's got a notch, and right there it's got a notch, so it stays open. It's just not flopping back and forth, so you can put it at whatever different little step you want the thing, and then so it closes, so you can use it as a your carabiner, which I'm hoping it'll place on there or something like that. But screwdriver like that. I think it's become a pretty cool little thing. So I'm gonna see. I don't know if I can add it to this. I think I can. That's why I kind of thought too. I was like, I think I'm gonna get rid of this and just kind of slim it all down. Let me see what that looks like. Yeah. So something down like that. Sort of thing. Because I always carry my keys on my belt. I always had. I've always been one of those guys. It's always on my right side hip. I never forget it like that. And it fits pretty nice in there. It's gonna be a good little setup. But now, if you guys had any questions about it, I'll put it back up here again. This is what I got. It's the I could put a link in the description as well. The KeySmart Pro with the tile smart location. I'm not too sure for how far away it goes, like the distance. That's one thing I didn't remember, is how far can you go on it? Maybe if I find out here. I know it said it lasts 3 months on a charge. Obviously, if you're using your flashlight like every day, then obviously it's not going to last that dang long. But 3 months. Yeah, so I don't know the distance on for sure, but I did notice it actually had the address of where it was, so in a little map. So it's pretty cool. So hopefully now this will help. It'll help me organize my keys a little better, not be so dang loud, and have them always falling when you're just rattling everywhere. And then next time my wife screams that she can't find her keys, or screams that she can't find her phone, it can go back and forth. All right, guys, but until then, I do appreciate you sticking along with me right now. And if you can, please like and subscribe my videos. And I do appreciate you. And until next time, take care.